long do you have to be driving with a flat tyre for it to be looking like this? I'm no expert on tyres, but I think they could probably do with a little bit of air in it. Oh, before the cycling gang get on my case, I did see that bike go past. And this pass is well too close. I'm guessing that he's going to this garage here. So not too far to go. Maybe they can pump his tyre up a bit.
Played last game, you know, they're not performing. Jamie Carragher was spot on with Coutinho. He looks like a five-a-side player. I played with players that were the best players in training. Comes to a game when you open up the pitch and they can't. Comes to a game when you open up the pitch and they can't run. They can't get past anyone.
Does he think he's going?
When I look at the team of Aston Villa at the moment, no one can get the ball and take a
Whoa,
player.
what's that?
You know, and as much as it's not, I don't want to keep bringing up Jack Grealish, but it's showing every game and every game we're missing someone like him who can get at the ball in brave areas and take someone on, make something happen. And the Villa fans are fed up. I didn't think he was
so that you never miss an episode. There it is, the first and last episode of Talk Boxing featuring Simon
Whoa,
Spencer.
fucking hell! What is going on?
Of Talk Boxing featuring Simon
Whoa,
Spencer.
fucking hell! What is going on?
This is something you've been wanting to do.
No indication pulls out. Still no indication pulling out. You stupid cow.
Well, I was going to say, what
the fuck was that?
What's your favourite boxing film? Can you remember? Can you give us a...
I'll do a new system as in one on, one off. Doesn't really matter, does it?
Good morning to everyone listening. Just a quick one as well. England are continuing their build-up to the T20 World Cup. That's with another warm-up against Australia.
Why are you so close? Why do Range Rovers always drive that? Weird. So close to the car in front. Can't go anywhere.
Now, if this car here indicated, there is no way I would have gone past this line. Now it wants to turn right and I'm in its way, the car behind me is in its way, and I got no exit going forwards neither. So because she can't indicate, we're all blocked up. Well done. Good job. Now this one's a bit of a weird one. We've got roadworks. Well, sort of roadworks. We've got the lights for roadworks, nothing happening in there, apart from an Audi parked in the middle of the roadworks. The crossing hasn't been closed, so that there, where the arrow is, you can still cross, but you can't because there's an Audi on the other side of it.
You have to be aware of what you're putting in it. But when you've got doctors, for example, around you and nutritionists and all these different kind of people, how much of it
you have to wait
is
because
a
the
concern
BMW is
that
coming out of
you
the
could
wrong
one day go,
entrance?
oh my goodness, have I double, triple checked everything? Do I know what these people are advising me to take? How much do you have to have that in the forefront of your mind?
Live commentary continues on TalkSport 2. Not such good news for Hearts. They're 4-0 down away to Fiorentina. Brendan Rodgers says...
Whoa, that's a red light there, mate. You've just gone sailing through.
You've lost 7 out of 9 in the Premier League this season. Host Palace with
might end up leaving her in the dining room when we go out, you know, so she's in one place so that she can get in and out.
Maybe slow down when you're coming to a bend, you idiot woman.
Told me mum and dad, oh mum, I've got a new car coming, my brother's in the corner. And then all of a sudden he'll come out, he's winding me up. That's why I don't like you.
Another idiot. Pulls up next to you. As you're turning right, then he's next to me here, on my left-hand side, turning right with me.
Well, I went to, obviously we talked about actors in the book as well, and I went to see The Theory of Everything, you know, the Hawking film, and we're sitting there, and I don't know, do you know Frank LaBeouf was in that?
I know he's an LA. He's an actor. Yeah, he's an actor.
I was sitting there in the film going, oh, that's Frank LaBeouf, the doctor. And obviously Mrs. sat next to me, she said, I don't care. So I said, sure, that's
You're an arse, mate. You're an arse. You could have waited and let them both go, and then you wouldn't have slowed down. Idiot. Absolute arse. Why not wait here and then let them go?
Now I'm sure in the highway code there's something in there about braking distance. If you look at the middle lane and the outside lane for this clip, it just gets ridiculous. There's hardly any distance between any of them, and then you get the bully boy of a lorry driver in a second that just makes it even worse. I mean, that there is just ridiculous. There's no need for it. One person makes a mistake and it could be game over. It's just a merging turn here. You can see my lane is closed, but you're supposed to use the whole length of the road. But some people don't like merging turns. Now, it looks like there's a gap there that I can go into, but the car is next to me, purposely stopping me getting in. You can see it better from the rear view camera in a second. There we go. There's the car. As soon as I get past it, it speeds up. Stop me getting in. Every time I go a little bit faster, he goes a little bit faster to block me off. Doesn't look much, but that's what happens in merging turns for me. Pretty much all the time. If you look behind, everyone else did it correctly. Everyone else came in correctly. Other than me, because he wasn't letting me in. And he has got all the way there. So he gained nothing by being an absolute prat. Now, new highway code rules say that she has priority over me, and I should wait for her to cross. Which is okay, but she's got to be showing some sign of wanting to cross, isn't she? She's on her phone looking a completely different direction. And then you get this idiot.
Quality bit of crossing the road, that, mate. Absolutely brilliant. Well done. Okay, now, did you even look? Did you even look this way?
You're going there when there's no one
I always find it quite strange when someone lets me out, was kind enough to let me out here, and then the very next manoeuvre they do is showing no patience whatsoever. It's really weird. Any need for that? And the pedestrian there on the left has priority over him parking the car, that's for sure.
I was just really focused on. I can talk after, but she was still in a trash talking mindset, and I had kind of just let him